Most barbecue aficionados know that smoke adds flavor. But did you know that too much smoke or the wrong kind of smoke can ruin the flavor of your barbecue? And while most sausages and meats like a little smoke, every chef needs to know when enough smoke is enough. If you're starting with uncooked sausages, prepare your grill in the two-zone method, separating the grill with a hot side and a side for indirect cooking. Preheat your grill or smoker to about 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Add a small amount of your preferred wood chunks or wood chips to the direct heat side of the grill. You should know that there are a variety of wood types that will impart desirable flavors. Fruit and nut woods, such as cherry, apple, and pecan, are excellent for smoking foods. You may also smoke your food with other suitable hardwoods, such as hickory, oak, and mesquite. You should avoid smoking with softer woods like redwood, spruce, and pine. The wood from these trees contains high amounts of resin and terpenes, and the smoke from these woods will cover your food with harsh soot and bitter flavors. When your coals and the smoke are ready, place the sausages on the indirect side of your two-zone grill. Cover them and smoke until they show an internal temperature of at least 160 degrees Fahrenheit on a digital thermometer. The smoking stage should take about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on the heat and the thickness of the sausages. Once the sausages are ready, you may heat them for service on the hot side of the grill, or remove them and immediately refrigerate them. Here are our finished smoked sausages, ready to enjoy.